I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit. First of all, we'll make sure Bluetooth is on. Click on phone. See there at the bottom you've got add, Bluetooth or close. Add. Those instructions at the bottom correspond to these 4 buttons here. So we want to add. Please begin pairing by entering this pin. So it's hands-free and it's changed to sync, so that's what we want. Okay. So 945420, randomly generated pin. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? You will, but I don't, so I don't allow that. But sync's connected already.
Pairing successful. Please check your device, and if necessary, grant sync permission to access it. For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Now it's asking me if I want to set my phone as the favourite phone. Well, I won't be using this again, I don't think. And there it is, it's all done, all connected.